Hello friends, welcome to the farm. Today we will play a guessing game. Who is hiding behind the barn? These are the animals we play with. Dog, cat, rabbit, mouse, fish, horse, cow, pig, sheep, goat, chicken, rooster, and duck. Woof! So many animals. Our goal is to listen to the clues, eliminate the wrong answers, and choose the correct animal. Ready? Let's go! All right. Look, 3 animals are behind the barn. The dog, the cat, and the fish. But only one is the right answer. These are the clues. I have 4 legs. I love to run and play. And I bark. Okay. If I have 4 legs, that means I am not a fish. If I love to run and play, I can be the dog and the cat. But if I bark, woof woof, yes, that means I am a dog. Yes, it is a dog. Well done! Great. Let's go for the second round. Now we have 3 more animals. The rabbit, the cow, and the horse. Listen to the clues. I am small. I have long ears. And I love carrots. Who am I? Come on, that's super easy. The cow and the horse are very big. It is a rabbit. Yes, we did it. Now let's go for the third round. Here we go again. And 3 more animals. The duck, the rooster, and the chicken. Listen carefully. I don't swim. That means it's not a duck. I lay eggs. Who am I? I know, the roosters are males. They cannot lay eggs. It has to be a chicken. Am I right? Oh, yes. But look, we need to spell it. C-H-I-C-K-E and N. Well done! Now one more round. Time for another challenge and 3 more animals. The goat, the sheep, and the mouse. Listen to the clues. I am not a small animal. That means it's not a mouse. And I have horns. Horns? But I don't remember. What are horns? Okay, thanks for the hint. Now it's clear. Yes, it is a goat. G-O-A-T. Well done! And wait, one more animal is still hiding behind the barn. Let's guess. And this time, no options. I am pink. I think I know. I love to roll in the mud. Who am I? Yes, it is a pig. P-I-G. Well done, guys. You did amazing. See you next time.